learners! Welcome to another episode of Sci-Connet. I am Teacher CJ, your science teacher for today. Are you now ready to learn? Let us start! In this grade 7 science video lesson, we will talk about visual representation of the motion of objects. The learning competency is create and interpret visual representation of the motion of objects such as tape charts and motion graphs. Before we start, answer this 5-item quiz. Choose the letter of the best answer and write your answers on your notebook. Let us start. 1. What quantity is the measure of how fast an object is moving? 2. What does it mean if a velocity versus time graph shows a horizontal line? 3. Which of the graphs has the highest acceleration? You can pause the video if you need more time in answering. 4. Which line shows that the car has a constant negative speed? 5. In school zones, when a driver sees this sign, what should he or she do with the vehicle's speed? Do this. Activity 1, True or False. Read and analyze the sentences. Draw a smiling face if the statement is true and a sad face if it is false. Write your answers on your notebook. 1. If an object is not moving, its speed is 0. 2. If the velocity is constant, then the slope is constant. 3. Title is not important in creating a table and a graph. 4. An object with a constant speed has a constant velocity. 5. In a position time graph, time data is assigned to x-axis. Explore. Answer this activity 2. Describe motion. Read each sentence and identify what graph represents motion. Write the letter of your answers on your activity notebook. 1. A car is moving backwards at a constant speed of 2 meters per second. You can choose from the graphs A, B, C, D, or E. 2. Your friend is at gate 2. He is standing for an hour waiting for you. 3. A man rides a bicycle moving with a constant negative velocity of 5 meters per second. 4. A vehicle that caused the accident is moving slowly with a constant positive velocity and then suddenly stopped. 5. A sports car showed a constant fast speed of 100 km per hour but suddenly stopped when it hit the barrier. The driver is severely hurt. Activity 3. Position time graph. Analyze the graph to answer the following questions. 1. Which line shows a slowing down motion? Refer to its color. 2. What color shows a stationary motion? 3. Which line manifests a constant fast speed? 4. Which line shows a changing speed that's getting faster? Keep this in mind. A position time graph shows how far something travels over a period of time. It is the representation of speed or velocity when we indicate the direction of the moving body. To begin, consider a man walking with a speed of 1 meter per second. Does the man change his speed while walking? The answer is no. He is constantly moving with the same speed towards east. Let's put data into a table. the position, and the time. Let us graph the data. The title of the graph is Position Time Graph. The position data will be at the y-axis, while the time data is at the x-axis. In making a graph, remember that the independent variable is always in the x-axis and the dependent variable is in the y-axis. The position time graph shows a straight diagonal line, which means that the motion of the man is constant, going to the right or to the east, and the speed is equivalent to 1 meter per second. What is the importance of slope in a position time graph? The principle is that the slope of the line on a position time graph reveals useful information about the velocity of the object. If the velocity is constant, the slope is constant, a straight line. If the velocity is changing, the slope is changing, a curved line. If the velocity is positive, the slope is positive, moving upwards and to the right. Slow and fast constant speed motion. The principle of slope can be used to describe motion from a position time graph. Graph B has a larger slope than graph A, which means that graph B shows a faster constant speed than graph A. Reflect. Complete the following sentence prompts. Write your answers on your notebook. I have learned that. I wish to ask my teacher about. To assess what you have learned in this video lesson, answer the following 5-item quiz. Choose the letter of the best answer and write your answers on your notebook. You can pause the video if you need more time in answering. Let us start. 1. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. Here are the references. Congratulations, learners, for finishing the video lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning with me today. Remember, learning is fun with Sci-Connet.